Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design and create some really fun custom uh, cufflinks for Dad for Father's Day. So we're going to be doing most all of this on the computer, so let me get to the computer and we'll get started.
Okay guys, in this video we are going to be designing some fun cufflink blanks for Father's Day, birthdays, whatever the occasion. I just thought cufflinks are something a little bit different and they're super easy, so it'd be something really fun to do. All right, and you're going to start out, and I'm using Lightburn for this, and we are going to start out with a circle that is 0.635 inches, or about 16 millimeters, okay, roughly 16 point, I believe it's 16.129 millimeters. All right, so we are going to go, I like to work in inches because that's how my brain functions, so I do inches for most things. So in this case, like I said, it's 0.635 inches. That will fit nicely in the cufflink blanks that I will link for you in the description of this video. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do this. You know, there's so many options. I'm going to make a couple copies of my little cufflink circle here so we can create a few different designs, and you know, you can get some ideas of what you might want to do. So the first thing we're going to do is, I think, super simple. You can just write things like number 1 Dad, and you can slap that right in the middle of the cufflink, just like in the screenshot for this video. You know, that's a real simple, easy design to do. Okay, we'll move that off to the side. Another idea is taking artwork that your child has done and tracing that and engraving that onto a cufflink. So I'm looking through here. This is my grandson's folder. He likes to draw some really odd, apparently it's from a game or something, I'm not sure, but he likes to draw these characters. So I am just going to take this little eel thing here that he drew, and I'm going to drag it into my Lightburn, minimize that, and then we are just going to trace this, fade that out, make sure the trace looks good, and click OK. Now we just have to size it down so it will fit on our cufflink. So I think that is another really fun way to make a custom cufflink file. You know, if you sell finished items, you could easily sell custom cufflinks to people. They send you a drawing, you can trace it and put it right on the cufflink blank and put them together and ship them out. That would be a wonderful addition to your Etsy shop. I am going to make this not that big, that's for sure. I was thinking though, I think the lines should be a little bigger on this guy. So I just, can you see the difference there? He's just a little bit thicker now. I just think that will engrave a little better. So let's move him back up in there where we had him. All right, another great idea is just Dad's initials. Let's say we could do just, like I said, his initials, and we can make that bigger, smaller, fit that right in there. So you can, another way to do personalized custom cufflinks for your shop. Another idea is You could make sports related ones. Let's see here. Dad's a baseball nut. You could absolutely create some fun baseball themed cufflinks. Make this engraving fit almost the whole cufflink there. Center it. And there's another great idea. All right. But you see how easy these are to design. There's, you know, an endless amount of possibilities. Here's a soccer ball. Let's do that. Dad's a soccer ball fan or a soccer fan or even a player. There's another great idea. You could take the initials of your child, for instance, or their birth date. Let's go with 1/9/2012. 2012. All right, and we can bring that in over here, make it a little bit smaller, and put it up here, and then grab this little purple dot, and we can actually bend this to fit inside this circle that we're drawing. There we go. Yeah, you can have a birth date there, and then you could put the child's initials inside of their birth date, and then even like a little heart or something for Dad. This is a really big heart. Let me make that way smaller. Let me zoom in here again, move it up here, make it smaller, put it in the center, and then let's turn that into an engrave instead of a cut. So there's another idea. Be a really great idea to design them and, you know, sell the finished product on your Etsy shop or your website. So there are just a bunch of ways that you can create custom cufflinks and stuff for your shop that don't take much time at all. Like I said, these with the kids drawing is a great idea. Number one, Dad, you know, that you can just type up, save as an SVG, and, you know, take a picture and slap it up in your shop. And, you know, there's not a whole lot of work involved in it at all. These are all super simple designs, and I'm just showing you how we can do it. And this is in Lightburn. I'm also going to show you how you can do it in Xtool XCS software in another video. So anyway, let's grab, I'm not going to print out or cut all of these. I just wanted to give you an example and show you how quick and easy it is to make these. I am going to do this little drawing here, and I am going to group them together, and I'm going to duplicate it, move it over here, and then I'm going to mirror this one so that we have a pair. Then I'm going to zoom out, and let me see here. Okay, there we go. I have my laser down in the bottom right, you see. Actually, I'll move that to the left. All right. And I am just gonna, I'm being lazy today, so I'm just gonna move this around a little, and I'm going to have my, I'm gonna have it frame it. Okay, and make sure it's in a good spot in my laser, and it is. So I am going to click focus here, and it will automatically make sure I am focused for the material I am using. And I am using 1/8 inch basswood right now. All right, and now I'm just going to click start, And there it goes. So I am using Lightburn to control my X tool S1 completely. I don't have to use XCS software at all unless I want to. All right, and I will show you, like I said, how to do this in XCS as well, but I personally prefer Lightburn, so that's what I am doing first. And it is engraving right now, and they'll be done in just a second here. Alrighty, and they're done. So let me pop them out of the laser quick and we'll have a look at them. Okay, and you can see that engraved, that little drawing perfectly. Came out great. And now, like I said, all you would do now is glue them into your Cufflink blanks. All right, and I will leave the description or the link for the Cufflink blanks in the description below. All right, let's get up here. There we go. Yeah, now you can see it a lot better. Alrighty, and that's how you design custom Cufflink blanks using Lightburn, and I'm using the X Tool S1.